Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove extra stores from Shopify. Whether you're streamlining your business operations or cleaning up your account, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll want to log into your Shopify account. Once you're there, cast your eyes to the top right corner of your screen. Here you should see your store name displayed. This is your access point to managing the multiple stores you might have under your account. For those of you who have multiple stores, it's important to regularly review and manage them so you don't get overwhelmed by unused or inactive stores. This can help with simplifying your account and focusing on the stores that are active and profitable. Go ahead and click on your store name. Doing this will reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, you'll need to select All Stores. This action will present you with a comprehensive list of all the Shopify stores linked to your account, giving you a clear overview of what you're working with. Now, take a moment to review your list of stores. Identify the store that you want to remove. Once you know which one you're ready to part with, click on that particular store. This will redirect you to the main dashboard for that store. From here, your next step is to locate the Settings option. To find this, look towards the bottom left corner of the screen. Click on Settings, and a new set of options will appear. It's a good idea to regularly check your settings for updates, especially when you're reviewing subscriptions or plans. This is where you can manage everything from payments to billing cycles, and even notifications that help you stay updated on important account information. Within this settings menu, it's time to focus on managing your account's plan. So go ahead and select the plan option. This page will show you all the details regarding your current subscription. If you're working with a paid plan, this is the part where you'll need to consider whether you want to cancel your subscription completely or just deactivate the store temporarily. If you're in the trial period, you can cancel the trial with no additional charges. It's always good to know your options before making a final decision. Here's where you can make the decisive move to either cancel the subscription or, if you're within the trial period, cancel the trial. Whether you see cancel subscription or cancel trial, clicking on either option will initiate the process to delete your Shopify store. Remember, when you choose to cancel your subscription or trial, it effectively means you're removing this particular store from their Shopify account. If you're worried about losing data, make sure to export any important information such as customer data or sales reports before proceeding. You can do this in the Export section under Orders or Customers in your Shopify dashboard. This decision will also involve a follow-up confirmation from Shopify to ensure that this is indeed what you want to do. So be prepared to double-check your choice and ensure that everything is backed up if necessary. And there you have it. Those are all the steps you'll need to remove any extra stores from your Shopify account. It's a straightforward process, but do ensure that the store you are about to delete is indeed the one you want to part with, as this action cannot be undone easily. If you find yourself with several stores to clean up, it might be a good idea to consider consolidating or merging accounts to simplify your workflow and reduce your overhead. Shopify also offers features that help you manage multiple stores more efficiently. So make sure to check those out in the Apps section of your dashboard. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask. I'd be happy to help. If you're new to Shopify, don't forget to check out my other tutorials on getting started and optimizing your store for success. Until next time, happy managing.